Welcome to LATAM MedTech Insights. This week, a critical development emerged from Brazil that every software and AI-based medical device manufacturer needs to pay close attention to. Brazil's regulatory agency, ANVISA, released a technical clarification note that abruptly raises the bar for AI-driven software as a medical device, or SAMD. While not a new law, this note provides a strict interpretation of the existing RDC 751 regulation, and its impact is immediate. The core of the issue centers on clinical validation and data integrity. ANVISA now explicitly requires that AI algorithms be validated using clinical data sourced predominantly from the Brazilian population. This move is aimed at ensuring device efficacy and safety for the local demographic, but it presents a major hurdle for international companies. Many global manufacturers rely on clinical data from North American or European trials to support their submissions worldwide. This new clarification suggests that such data, while still useful, may no longer be sufficient on its own for the Brazilian market. Companies may now need to conduct supplementary local trials or partner with Brazilian hospitals to gather specific data, representing a significant and often unplanned investment of time and resources. Furthermore, the technical note doubles down on cybersecurity requirements with a local twist. It mandates that a detailed cybersecurity risk assessment be submitted entirely in Portuguese. This assessment must also address data privacy protocols specific to Brazil's General Data Protection Law, the LGPD. This is more than a simple translation task. It requires a deep, nuanced understanding of local data laws and cybersecurity norms, forcing companies to engage local experts to avoid misinterpretation and rejection. For a US or European startup, this is a game changer. Their plan to leverage an existing FDA or CE marking for a quick entry into Latin America's largest market just became far more complex. The clarification effectively creates a unique, Brazil-specific layer of clinical and technical evidence that many are not prepared to provide. This is a classic example of the challenges in global market access, where a subtle regulatory clarification can have massive operational and financial implications. Navigating these new, complex landscapes is where having an expert local partner becomes critical. For a deeper analysis of how ANVISA's new SAMD clarification could impact your specific product, email or visit Pure Global.